this week we are starting a new poem called Goodbye Winter, Hello Spring. We are doing this poem because it's that time of year where winter melts away and spring gets started. There are a lot of things that we can love about winter and a lot of things we welcome as we begin to get into spring. You guys will notice that I have 7 different stanzas in this poem, and each stanza is 2 lines long. So for each stanza, we're going to focus on one thing that goes away because winter is leaving and another thing that we welcome in. So I might think of right away something like raindrops and snow, right? We say goodbye to snow and we say hello to rainstorms, right? So instead of just saying goodbye snowstorm, hello rainstorm, or we could say thunderstorm, I want to be a little bit more careful and a little bit more, I want to use more words to describe what I'm really saying, okay? So I might say, if I think about those big snowstorms, goodbye inches of snow piled up on the roads, period. And now the opposite of snow in the spring is going to be rain. So hello, raindrops. And I'm going to tell a little story here. So maybe making puddles to jump in. Notice I'm putting a period, even in my draft here, I've got a period and a period to make sure that I'm finishing up those lines. So I've chosen snow and rain as 2 things that are opposite. I might focus on, what are some things that I wear in the winter and the summer? So I might think, okay, goodbye, warm coat and fuzzy hat that protect me from the chilly weather. Well, then what's the opposite? What are some things that we wear in the spring instead of our warm coats and fuzzy hats? I might say, hello, shorts and t-shirts that let the sun soak into my skin. So you guys are going to be finishing up this poem thinking about things that we say goodbye to in the winter and hello to as summer comes upon us. Think about what you wear. What are some things that you eat? Are there some holidays that you celebrate in each season? What about the weather? What's growing or not growing? What animals do you see? What do you do with your time? Maybe you're inside cozy and then outside playing on the beach. Think about activities that you would do, snowboarding, snowshoeing, maybe hiking, or things like that. So there's a lot of things that you guys can think about as you're comparing. So make sure that you're putting more than just one word things on each line. Notice how I filled all of my lines. I've also put punctuation at the end of each of my lines. Tell me a story about something that you enjoy as you're comparing and contrasting winter and spring.